guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Holly and I'm so excited to talk to you guys today about the fort. Alright guys, so in case you don't know or have never heard of the fort, it was a Kickstarter about like 2 years ago, maybe like a year and a half, and we bought into it really quickly because I was so excited about it. I love the idea of building and creating forts with kids, and this just made it seem so easy, and I love that it is magnetic. So it is definitely a competitor with Nugget, and I've never had a Nugget because we bought this one, and so I've been like waiting and waiting and waiting, literally waiting for this one to come. And I am so impressed. I'm really excited. We have had it for a few days now. So I can show you, like, here is like one of the magnets here, and then they have them on like all of the different pieces. So some of the reasons that I chose the fort over a Nugget is first the material. So the Nugget has just like that suede material and fabric. This has a leather on it, and I love that because if kids spill, it's not going to stain, it's not going to get gross and wet. You can even play with these outside, which I think is tons of fun, and you can like easily wipe them down afterwards. And I love that it has these magnets so that you can build so many different creations, and like they're gonna stay a little bit easier. I just feel like with the Nugget, it's like a little bit limited in what exactly you can create and do. So first impressions, we've had this for like a few days now. It's been so much fun. When I very first put the covers onto the foam, I would say that like the fabric was like a little bit creased, but now I don't think it's like that. I feel like it looks really good, and like there's maybe like a little bit of a creasing, but overall it like looks really nice. And honestly, the kids don't care, so they are just so excited about all of the different creations and things that you can make. So I think I will probably do a video on some of the different like forts and things that we have made, but I can show just in the past few days some of the things that we have done, and the different builds that we have made with this. We have done like ramps for cars, we have done slides, we've done a lot of castles. My 3-year-old is super into castles right now, so we have done quite a few castles and things like that. But I just really love that like a buildable couch, magnetic couch kind of thing like exists. I just think it's so much fun where you can just put it in your playroom and it looks so cute just like sitting there, and you can use it like as a couch. And then it also is just so usable when you want to create something new and different. So I'll show you like some of the different pieces that comes with it. This isn't like sponsored or anything. I just bought it on Kickstarter and I was just so excited about it. So it comes like with 2 of the like really big squares, and then it has 4 of these. Yeah, I think so. I think it has just like 4 of the small rectangles, and then here's like the big rectangle, and then it has 2 triangles. And I really like the triangles because they're so easy to use as ramps and like things like that, and my kids love cars. I have 2 little boys. And then I also really love this arch. It's so fun. My 3-year-old already like sits on this like a horse, and like sits right here and like makes it a horse or whatever, and it's so cute. So I already like love that, and he's been riding that around. And then has this, and I really love this piece as well because it seems like a wheel. So like we've made race cars and stuff. It does take up quite a bit of space, but like I said before, it's like so easy to just like make into a couch and like a place for kids to just like chill and like read or relax and sit on. And it's like the perfect height for my 1-year-old to get like up and down on, and so he can get up and down on it really easily. And I'll just show you guys like how the magnets work. So like they are like on every corner. So it's like right here and right here, and like also on the back, and then like right here too. So anyway, but like I feel like it works really pretty well. The magnets are like definitely like pretty sticky, which is awesome. So you definitely have to pull on them in order to take them apart. I looked on their website now just to see like what their price is now that they're not on Kickstarter and they're like actually shipping stuff out, and it's pretty expensive. I was like, man, I don't know personally if I would pay that much. Maybe like they're going to do like more deals or whatever. I think we paid like half the price of what it currently is, and I would say at like the same price as the Nugget, it was totally worth it. But like double the price, I'm like, I don't know. I think it was like $500 with no discounts or anything like that. So maybe they do discounts pretty often. I'm not sure. So I don't know. I think it's probably something I would wait and see like if it goes on sale. But if it does, you guys, I would highly recommend you pick it up if you have been looking for something similar to this, something like the Nugget or whatever. I know there's other options to the Nugget, but I just really think it's so innovative to have the magnet part of it because it really helps keep things like sticking together and like making some really interesting forts. So yeah, I just wanted to make just a quick little video on this, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have heard of this product, let me know down below because I want to see like how, I don't think it's like a super popular product, but if you have heard of it, I want to know, and like if you have it as well, let me know too. That would be so much fun. We can connect over that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and want to see more. And if you want to see more about the fort, let me know down below and I can do a whole nother video on all of the different builds that we've come up with. But I'm so thankful for all of you guys for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!